Hey, okay, John, we better stop up ahead. Looks like somebody needs some help. Hope he's all right. Nephew, how about you hop up there and check him out? Okay?
I don't know. Martin, do you think it's a crap?
I always think everything can be a crap while I'm still alive.
Okay.
Well, let's check him out anyway.
Okay.
Be careful. You never know what things like this.
Okay.
Everybody seen the Outlaws yet?
No.
That's good, son. Must be with the hurt guy. We'll check him out. Yes, sir? Hey, you okay? You okay, man?
He's dead. No.
Wait. He smells dead. I think he smelled dead before he died.
Yeah, probably.
Man, wow. Let's get over here.
Oh, okay.
All right, all we have on him was this note. Let's see. It says, roses are red, violets are blue. My name is Hollis, and I'm Robbery.
All right, man. I know you got money on the screen. Give me your money. Hand it over. Money's over. Come on.
Now what's that supposed to mean?
I'll tell you what it means, dog. I'll tell you what it means right now. It means that you, my friend, are face to face with the dreaded, the feared, the infamous, the celebrated.
Yeah, but
Shut up. Lame horse gang. And an untimely end. So go ahead, little dog, and hand them pistols over butt first.
but first what?
Just give me them pistols right now. Give it to me.
Well, boys, I'll have you know that all I got off these people up there on that train was a pocket comb and some old lint.
Well, I didn't get nothing. What'd you get, Biggin?
I think it got this pretty late.
Back off now. I'll never let you touch me.
Hey, shut up!
Marshall!
Then you have her, but first, we're going to do this proper and civilized.
Since when we ever done anything proper and civilized?
Since now,
Okay.
Marshall,
What?
you are going to officiate a wedding for us.
Wedding! You expect me to marry this smelly nut meat? Oh, I'll just be the wedding.
That's what I
Ma'am, I apologize. We just ain't got no choice. It happened on it. All right, you got to move your hat. We'll just get right out here. Anyway, marriage. Marriage is what brings us together here today, along with train robbery. That terrible, awful bond of...
I'm gonna be sick!
Man and wife.
Ow, what?
Same man and wife.
Okay, man and wife.
Good, let's get out of here.
Not so fast! I told you, hey! You want to die?
No?
I told you people we were going to do this proper and civilized. Biggin, you may kiss the bride now. All right, pucker up, baby.
All right. But close your eyes.
All right, I'm ready. Biggin, please get out there, get in the way. Marshall, that was a dirty trick. I said shoot that fella! There! Shut it down! What? Hang on. Hey, Marshall! Is that the clickety-click of them big guns I hear? All right, Megan, get out there and kill that number mama. Marshall! The hunter's got full of land! I thought you were the boys, Marshall! Ah! Hey, Sheriff! I think he's really out of bullets this time. Go out there and kill him.
I'm going to kill him. You go kill him.
I ain't going out there. Hey, Marshall! Marshall!
What?
You really out of bullets this time?
Oh, I got two.
You got two. All right.
I thought it was called a draw.
Call it a draw.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, no. Is there a dynamite right here?
Marshall! They're a mistake! You tricked them!
Yeah, that was a dummy round for dummies.
Well, folks, I just can't believe it. I've been married and widowed all on the same day.
Oh, you weren't married?
I wasn't.
Nope. Didn't say I did, therefore you're not married.
Oh, that's true.
That's right, let's go. How about Saturday night? Let's go.
Oh, Saturday night. Let's go.
Yay!
Hey, boys. Don't go nowhere. I know. Okay, Kate, so let's get these folks on back to town.
Yeah. That looks like a decent burial if I've ever seen one. Just remember.